Welcome to WonderKids Workshop channel. Today, we're diving into the world of CVs and resumes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in your career, understanding the nuances between these two documents is essential. So, what exactly is the difference between a CV and a resume? A curriculum vitae CV is a comprehensive document that outlines your entire academic and professional history, including education, work experience, publications, awards, honors, and more. It's typically longer than a resume and can span several pages, especially for individuals with extensive experience in academia, research, or certain professions like medicine or academia. On the other hand, a resume is a concise summary of your relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments tailored to the specific job you're applying for. Resumes are typically shorter, usually limited to 1 or 2 pages, and focus on highlighting key achievements and qualifications that align with the job requirements. Now, which one is better, a CV or a resume? The answer depends on the industry, the country you're applying in, and the specific requirements of the job. In the United States, resumes are more commonly used for most job applications, especially in business, technology, and other industries. However, in academic and research settings, as well as in many European countries, CVs are preferred. When do you use a resume, and when do you use a CV? Resumes are typically used when applying for jobs in the private sector, including corporations, startups, not-profits, and government agencies. They're also suitable for positions that require specific skills and experiences tailored to the job description. CVs, on the other hand, are used for academic positions, research roles, fellowships, grants, and other opportunities that require a detailed overview of your entire professional journey. Now, let's discuss how to write a compelling resume and CV. Resume writing tips. Tailor your resume for each job application by highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Use concise language and bullet points to make your resume easy to read. Include a professional summary or objective statement at the top to grab the recruiter's attention. List your work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent job first. Showcase quantifiable achievements and results to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. Include relevant keywords from the job description to pass through applicant tracking systems ATS. Proofread carefully to eliminate typos and grammatical errors. CV writing tips. Start with your contact information and a brief personal statement, summarizing your career objectives.